Welcome to our Year 2 Presentation Assembly for 2021. My name is Riley and along with Lila, we are your hosts today.
I would now like to invite Riley to acknowledge the country.
Warami, my name is Riley. I would like to acknowledge that the land, water, and sky where I learn each day belongs to the Darug people. Every day, the children, staff, and community at York Public School learn together. We are grateful to the Darug elders, past and present, and respect that their history, culture, and languages have shaped this place. The future of the Darug Nation is in good hands as we strive to preserve the history, culture, and languages of the First Nations people through developing knowledge, understanding, tolerance, strength, love, and kindness in all that we do. Didjurigura.
Thank you, Riley. Please stand for the playing of the school song. Please remember there is no singing.
Thank you. Please sit quietly. I would now like to introduce our principal, Miss Robbins, to address our assembly.
Welcome teachers, students, to our 2021 presentation day. I extend a warm welcome to everyone watching from home. Well, what a year it was. Little did we all know that your parents would become your teachers for nearly half of a year, and what a tremendous job they did. We usually take this opportunity at the end of the year to thank the teachers, but this year I need to thank the parents and teachers alike. Thank you for being so creative, inventful, resourceful, patient, caring, resilient, and most of all, keeping it together under extremely stressful times with high anxiety everywhere. Our Year 2 teachers were amazing. They worked tirelessly from home each day and even became Uber drivers, delivering our learning packs to our students who couldn't access technology. They really did go above and beyond. They say it takes a village to raise a child. I think this year more than ever in our recent history, this saying is true. Teachers and parents came together to keep our students learning in difficult times, and we all succeeded. We are always looking at ways to improve our school inside and outside of the classroom. And I'm pleased to announce that next year we will be installing a supersized sandpit next to the play equipment and lots more seating areas around the school. Not just for quiet places for you to go when you're at lunch and recess, but for teachers to take the learning outside also. The Year 2 students of this year have proven to be our most resilient learners yet. Thank you for being a wonderful cohort. I wish you all the best as you move on to Year 3 next year, and let's hope that 2022 is a lot brighter for all of us. Thank you.
Robbins. Our first awards are for classroom performance. Class teachers will announce the award recipients for academic excellence, outstanding application, and citizenship.
Mrs. Jones, would you please come up to the stage and announce the class awards for 2J?
My first award goes to Mackenzie Redmayne for academic achievement. Next, for outstanding application, Layla Gibson. Outstanding application, Cooper Boyd. Outstanding application, Amelia Carr. Citizenship, Eve Greentree. And citizenship, Lakira Douglas. Here we have our 2021 winners from 2J.
Thank you, Miss Jones. Our next class is 2H, and I would like to invite Miss Hayden to the stage to announce her class winners.
Okay, the 2H award winner for academic achievement for Kenzie Caverley. Our first outstanding application award goes to Malachi Williams Brown. Our second outstanding application for Jacob Martin. Outstanding application for Cassidy Dowling. Our Citizenship Awards first award for Holly Haynes. And our second Citizenship Award for Braylon Anderson. Congratulations to each award winners.
Thank you, Ms. Hayden. Miss Ritchie, would you please come to the stage to announce the class awards for the students in 2R?
Okay. The award winners for 2R this year for academic achievement, Kieran O'Dwyer. For outstanding application, Fahan Fagella. For outstanding application, Ariana Poo. And for outstanding application, Amelia Berry. Our awards for citizenship go to Ziggy Prasad. And Lilith Thies. Congratulations to our winners.
Thank you, Mrs. Ritchie. That concludes the Year 2 awards. Could you please stand quietly for the playing of the national anthem?
It's sad we can't sing, isn't it? I actually started singing by accident in the last one.
Please sit quietly. Parents and friends of York, thank you for the support throughout this difficult year. We wish you a peaceful and joyous Christmas.
Students, please listen for your teacher's instructions before moving from the assembly.